In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide prices unless the customer is logged in on the Dawn theme in Shopify. This feature can be pretty handy if you want to provide a little more exclusivity to your registered customers, or if you simply prefer to encourage visitors to sign up or log in before viewing your product prices. Now, let's dive in and walk through this process step by step to make sure you can easily implement this on your Shopify store. First up, you'll want to head over to the code editor of your Shopify site. This is where we have the opportunity to make the necessary adjustments to tailor your store to your specific needs. Once you're there, you'll need to navigate to the Snippets section. This is the area where small chunks of reusable code are stored, and it's where we'll be making our changes today. In the Snippets section, locate the file named prices.liquid. Just open this file up, and in a moment, we'll be ready to modify it to achieve the desired effect of hiding prices for users who aren't logged in. Once you have the prices.liquid file open, the next step is to find a specific line of code. You'll be looking for the line that says money pulp price enclosed with double curly brackets. Don't worry, it should be quite prominent and easy to locate. Now, here's where the magic happens. Delete that line of code. With it gone, you'll be ready to input the new lines that will check whether a user is logged in before displaying the price. Ensure you insert the exact code that we're referencing to ensure everything functions correctly. Remember, even a tiny typo can prevent the feature from working, so accuracy here is really important. If you're the curious type looking to customize a bit further, you might want to change the default message that will be displayed when a non-logged-in visitor tries to view the price. Feel free to modify it, but make sure you place your custom message within that specific section before saving all your changes. Make sure you click Save once you're done with these modifications. This will ensure that all your hard work doesn't go to waste, and all the changes go live on your website right away. And that's all there is to it. You've just successfully set up your Shopify store to hide prices unless the customer's logged in using the Dawn theme. It's a simple yet effective way to add a layer of membership benefits or exclusivity to your e-commerce experience. Thanks for tuning into this tutorial.